Greetings to all. I am actually interested in attempting to create a video as a follow-up to my previous video, where I delved into the topic of dopamine versus serotonin to some extent. These are a few sticks that are released within the body. It is a chemical process that takes place internally in our body or within the body of the skin, and that I have chosen to train according to the reason method because that is where we have during the learning process. We operate in a manner that leads to the release of this substance called dopamine, which unfortunately is a good substance, but regrettably is also addictive. So we would like to train in a way where we work more with a substance called serotonin, which is very similar to dopamine. It provides this feeling of happiness and well-being, and everything is good. However, serotonin simply was not addictive, and it is not the type of substance that the body develops a dependence on. It's not like a depot medicine, I must say. But then, I just wanted to dig a little deeper to briefly explain how this serotonin is like. How we get it around in the body, because one thing is that it comes when we call or when we pet the dog. So serotonin is formed here. That is, we acknowledge the dog for something done, and then it gets this feeling that everything is good. However, for this sensation to spread throughout the entire body, a small substance called tryptophan is needed to facilitate the transmission of this feeling. And it is indeed a substance that ensures the release of serotonin in the body, playing a vital role in regulating mood and other essential physiological processes. Therefore, if we lack tryptophan in our body, regardless of the amount of cuddling and petting we do with our dog, the tryptophan will not be released and will not circulate throughout our body. And tryptophan, that is, we acquire that nutrient through our diet or by taking dietary supplements as part of our daily intake. It is found in a diet that is rich in protein. Therefore, it is something that you must remember to consume for yourself in order to benefit from its nutritional value. If you consume a totally typical and diverse diet, you will obtain tryptophan, which can subsequently carry this serotonin to other parts of the body and contribute to its overall distribution. Tryptophan is responsible for ensuring the circulation of melatonin, a substance that plays a crucial role in the body's functions and overall well-being. And melatonin is a substance that helps us relax and prepares us for sleep. Therefore, if an individual lacks tryptophan, irrespective of the extent to which we engage in beneficial activities for ourselves, such as training our dogs using recognition, petting, and cuddling, it will not yield the desired effects. But we won't get anywhere with it unless we make sure they consume this as you found. It's in the diet. It's in a diverse diet even for dogs, so they should receive it. But it was just like a nice to know perhaps for some, and for need to know for others, but probably mostly nice to know. So that was just it, Dad. Hello to you all.